The extraordinary thing about the Arts Council collection is that it's always been based on acquiring work very early in an artist's career. It gives enormous support to artists, often being bought from degree shows or first exhibitions in small galleries. And it means that the collection has a real special character, because it's a lot of its early work, a lot of its work that is now seen as being very important.
The work that's been acquired by Arts Council collection is titled Untitled London Zoo. While painting it, you kind of revisit those areas, those memories. And I like how painting becomes this medium to ask certain questions.
I'm really interested in museum display objects that are in exhibits but that aren't objects within the collection. How those objects kind of hold a history of museum presentation and the way that the public would have interpreted the history through these objects.
I meet people and I meet artists who've seen Arts Council collection works in their local museum, and that has encouraged them to think about becoming artists or given them a lifelong love of the arts. And if the collection wasn't there, people wouldn't have the opportunity to see these great artists, not in London, but actually where they live, where they grow up.